The memory bank is like a mini journal of highlights. There are 27 spaces to hold your favourite memories from this year. Simply record the date on the left and your special moment on the line next to it. It's a wonderful way to build the habit of self-reflection and gratitude. If 27 spaces isn't enough, you can continue this keepsake on the next page. And by the end of the year, you'll have a beautiful time capsule of memories that you can read back on as you prepare for the year ahead. At the back of your planner, you'll find 1 day tracker, 4 blank checklists, 4 lined pages, and 4 dot grids. You can use these bonus checklists to log books read, movies watched, restaurants to try, manage specific projects, create cleaning checklists, jot down nice to-do tasks, track assignment grades, manage a running to-do list, or monitor subscriptions you have. The possibilities are endless. The additional column is perfect for writing dates, ratings, costs, or notes, and there are no headings, so you can customize this space according to your needs.